How to apply eyeshadow, step by step. Step 1. Choose 3 eyeshadows. Neutral color, darker shade and lighter shade. For lighter shade I choose this one with glitter in it. Step 2. Swipe your brush lightly through the neutral color. Remove the excess by tapping the brush.
Apply the neutral color all over your eyelid. Take the darker eyeshadow and tap off any excess. Apply the dark shadow in the crease between your brow bone and eyelid. Blend it well. Take the light shade and remove excess powder. Apply it in the inner corner of your eye and blend it. Apply eyeliner. Optional. Apply mascara as you usually do. That's it. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.